guys, it is your girl Jillian Gosney back at it again for another YouTube video. Alright, this look is inspired by Gabxxrielle on Instagram. Yeah, so I've been gone a minute. I know that I haven't, but I'm sorry. Anyway, so this look is super cool. And I know you guys want to watch me recreate it, so if you guys want to watch me recreate it, then keep watching because it is about to cue in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I just did my eyebrows and then primed my eyelids. So now we're gonna get started with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with a Morphe M321 brush like that, and then we're going in with black. We're gonna do it in our crease. Ooh, very black. Kind of looks like she just does black and then like blends it out. And I'm just gonna be taking a not blank brush that doesn't have anything on it, and I'm just going to be blending out the black. And we're going to be blending her up. That's what it looks like so far. It looks like in the picture that she put like a brown shade at the in the inner right here. So we're gonna go do that. So I have wet a Q-tip with makeup remover, and now we're going to cut our crease. Now we're gonna take our concealer brush and our concealer and conceal the cut crease. So we're finally done with the cut crease, and now we're gonna go in with the white eyeshadow. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with the eyeliner, and we're going to wing it out. Now we are going to smoke out this liner with some black eyeshadow. So I'm gonna be going in with a angled brush, but it's not as firm as the other brushes. It's very blendable. Okay, after we smoked her out with black, we're gonna be taking a blending brush and we're gonna blend the smoke out with brown. Here on my studs, it looks like she has small studs on, so. Okay, so I'm going to be taking my lash glue. She looks a little busted dusted, but we're going to be taking our lash glue. And we're going to be gluing the backs of the gems and then sticking them on our eyeballs. Ooh, it dropped. It fell. Alright, so I just finished this eye. And now I'm going to do the other rhinestones on this eye off camera, so you guys don't have to watch me do that for like 2 hours. But yeah, when I come back, I will have, actually, I'm gonna have my other rhinestones on and my full face makeup, because then we're gonna be continuing on with the neck portion and the under eye portion. All right, see you guys in a few seconds. Welcome back for me. I've done my face makeup and the rest of the rhinestones. Now we're gonna finish up under the eyes. Now I always light my eyeliner so that way it's way more pigmented when you use it, because we're going to be doing under eye. It's definitely not pigmented enough for me, so I'm gonna light her up again. Now we're going to put some brown underneath our eyeball. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go put on my lashes and then we're going to do our neck. Alrighty, we are back and I finished the lips and the lashes. So now we are going to be doing the fire neck. This is what we have so far. Alright, I'm a little nervous, I ain't gonna lie. Faux choker. Alright, so now we are going to be blending down this with black. I'm going to be taking a fluffy, this brush, and I'm going to obviously be using black. And we're gonna take that and smoke it down. Smoke, smoke, smoke it out. Alright, so now we are going to be adding the rhinestones on the neck. Alrighty, so I got my lash glue, I got my tweezers, I got my rhinestones. Alrighty. So this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me recreate this super dope but flames sparkly look on my YouTube channel. I know that it's been a minute since I posted, but thank you guys so much for watching my videos and subscribing. I really appreciate it. And also, if you have not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Subscribe down below, and also like this video because I know that you want to. You want to right now. Go like it right now. Anyway, I will see you guys next time on this channel. Goodbye. Have a wonderful rest of your day.